Get it.
A new squeaky ball. I've never seen a dog throw a ball like that before and then chase it down. Oh, under the couch. Oh, I wonder how far back it went. Oh, she's really reaching. Look at that. Wow. I think she needs help. I bet you it rolled way to the back.
No.
Oh. I've never seen a dog do that. Get it.
Get it.
Get it, Bella. Get it. Oh, I think you killed it that time.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go get it. Get your toy. Get your ball. Get it. Get it.
It's like she's figured out it's not going to run away on her now.
Yeah.
I wish they had this camera out when you first put it down there. Yeah, it's bigger than the racquetball ball.
Yeah.
Cracks me up. Oh, you got it good that time, Bella.
Okay.
See, she's not jumping after it like she was. A little bit more calm about it. Huh? What you got? Let's see. Let's see what you got. Huh? Oh, you don't want to give it to me, huh? You don't want to give that one up. give me the ball, Bella. Huh? Give me that crazy ball. You like that ball, Bella, huh? You really like that. No, but you like it better if it's on my foot, right? Yeah, that's where you really like to chew it. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you got it good there. Can I have the ball? Huh? Can I have that ball? Huh? I'll throw it for you. Huh? I gotta throw it for you. Can you give? No! No, she's not gonna give that ball up. Okay, ready? We'll play catch. Ready? Okay, ready? Ready? Here we go. Whoa! You got that. Just made it exciting again, huh? Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, can I have? Give? Give? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Here it comes. Ready? Oh, yeah, there you go. Just grab it out of there. Go tag up in the cage. Yeah, come back and let's play catch again. Huh? Let's play catch again. Huh? Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, you like that, don't you? Gonna punch it ball. Oh, you smothered it. You smothered that ball.
What you got?
You smothered that ball. Yeah.
Hey, get it! Get it, yeah! Smiley. Go!
I think she's tired. Look, she's trying to take her breath.
Tired?
She's breathing hard. Well, bring it here. Come on. Come on. Come on, bring it. Come on, bring it here. Yeah. Look at her. She's happy. She's practically smiling ear to ear. She's proud. She's a proud owner of a new ball. Hey, come here. Bring it here. Oh, that's a good throw. Okay, ready? Ready? Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Grab that right out of the ear. Yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Ha! Yes. You like that. Go give it to Michael. Go to Michael. Bella, go to Michael. Where's Michael? Here.
Back. No, back. Back. Good girl. Oh, good girl.
Oh, missed that one.
Now.
Ooh.
Back. 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 Crop catch.
There you go. You like that, don't you, huh? You really do. Yeah, Michael got you a nice toy there. Yeah. Yeah. Here, let me get it. Okay. Let's see you catch it. Ready? Huh? Ready? Ready? Ooh. Well, that's a good grab. That's how she does it. That's food. Boy, she just dropped that ball and came running when she heard that. She thought that was food, Michael. She just dropped that ball like it was yesterday's newspaper. I mean, she practically couldn't get that thing out of her mouth fast enough to come by and get some food. She thought you were shaking the food thing there. Oh, there she goes. There, see?
Back. Sit. Yeah, back. Sit. Sit. You gotta start feeding her more.
Yeah. Yeah, I think she was looking thin. Oh, yum yum yum. Is that good stuff, huh? You like that, huh? Yes, you do. Wow. Uh-oh. She's gonna sleep good tonight, Michael. She heard you going into that bag and she just about snapped her neck, broke her neck, turning to look around to see what was going on. Yep, there she goes. Look at her. Johnny on the spot. Yeah, oh.
Yeah, she's even getting 4 cups.
Well, how much you been getting?
I don't know, just fill it up. Oh, right back to your toy. Right back to your toy. Yeah. Right back to your toy.
Yeah, well, you can increase it more for her. Whoa. And now she knows to go outside. Yeah. Jeez. He's fast like a cat. Okay, that's all.